Scott with GReviewz here with something that I've been wanting for a long time, the Mavic Air. Why did I get a Mavic Air? Well, we can talk about that in a later video, but today I'm just going to kind of go through it. I'm going to open the box, something I've been waiting for quite a long time. I did purchase it from a buddy of mine. He has a great shop here in Pompano Beach called GReviewz. Thanks, Ben. Shout out to you. Let's get this puppy open. So again, I was looking between, actually even before that, I actually got a P3, I got a P3 Pro, Phantom 3 Pro actually from work for free, and I love that, I really love that thing, but I did something kind of stupid with it, and it was a couple years ago, so I've been kind of scared to buy one ever since, and I think it was actually probably a couple years ago. But, you know, so I saw the Mavic Pro when that came out, and I was considering that. I was like, it's a little pricey, it's too soon. Then they came out with the Spark, and I love the Spark, but it seemed a little limited. It didn't have a whole lot of different video capture modes. The biggest thing is the battery life. The battery life's only like 10 minutes on that thing, so I knew I'd have to buy a bunch more batteries, etc., etc. And then this guy came out beginning of 2018, I think. And I've seen nothing but good reviews on it. It's got sensors all the way around it, so even if you're being stupid, hopefully it's not going to crash. So we'll see what happens. So I just took the cellophane off. So let's crack open the side of the box here. Here's the seal, so we'll take that off. Again, I got the flame red model. Apparently that's the hot one. That's the one that's kind of hard to get. All right, so opening the box here. We got a couple things. So this is the drone. Inside the little pouch is the drone itself, and we'll look at that in a second. That's kind of the biggest, baddest thing right there. So we'll kind of take each little step out of the box here. I did get the Fly More combo, which includes a whole bunch of goodies that the normal one doesn't. So we'll kind of just get into this stuff. So we've got our propeller guards. So obviously for newer flyers, so you don't run into people or cut people's arms off. So those are important. We got lots of documentation here. I mean, this instruction manual is probably just as big as my Infinity Q50s. There's a lot of different functions and different things like that here. Another cool thing that comes with the Fly More combo is this really cool little bag. And everything for the Mavic Air can be contained in this bag. Apparently it's got a little like carrying strap. Apparently you can like attach it to a belt and stuff like that. I don't think I'll use it a whole lot, but again, I mean, for me the main reason to even buy the Fly More combo really was for the extra batteries, because those are $100 each, and for $200 you get a couple other little things in addition to the batteries. So I said, why not? So let's open this guy up. Let's see what we got in here. Obviously a whole bunch of stuff. I think these are probably the propellers down here, but we'll take that out. So the box is now empty. So what do we got in here? So first thing, I have no idea. I'm just kind of taking it by ear here. And sorry if it looks like I'm doing dangerous things with a knife. Don't worry, I'm a Boy Scout. It's okay. Okay, so let's see, we've got propellers. We've got 2 sets of propellers here, so that's 1 set, 2 sets. So that's, know with the standard kit it comes with 1 set of propellers, but with the Fly More it comes with 2. These are going to be your OTG cables, which connect your phone to the controller. So there's a couple of those depending on if you have an iPhone, if you have an Android phone. You get different cables there, so that's what that is. Moving on. Charging cable for the controller. These are extra set of thumbsticks for your controller because they do screw out of the controller. You might lose these, so thank you DJI for including some of those. And I heard this thing is pretty cool. So what this does is it's a power bank. So it transforms your batteries into power banks that you can charge your cell phone. So if you've got 3 of these batteries in a backpack and your cell phone's running low or some USB power device is running low, you can actually use one of the Mavic Air batteries to charge your phone. That's another cool little bonus that comes with the Fly More combo. Alright, so here we get into the good stuff here. So this is a controller. So compared to my Phantom 4 controller, this thing is teeny tiny. It feels really good just on initial reaction here. So I mean, I obviously will fiddle with it later, but it feels great. Again, I don't want to break it. I know you kind of do something like that. You fold out the legs and things like that. Ooh, just feels great to finally have one of these again. All right, let's see what else we had in the pouch. Lots of other stuff here. All right, so we've got. This is another little cool thing that was included with this Fly More combo that you don't normally get with the normal one. So it's a battery bank charger. So with this charger, you can charge up to 4 batteries at the same time, which is important because if you do have multiple batteries, you don't want to be charging them one by one. You want to be able to charge multiple at the same time, and that's what this is really great for. Super compact. You can charge up to 4 batteries at the same time. We've got our charger here, and it has a couple USB ports, so if you want to again charge a phone or something like that at the same time, you've got that. Let's see, what else do we have here? This is the actual little cable for the wall. We've got 2 extra batteries, and again, each of these puppies is about 90 bucks. So these are kind of the reason you can get the Fly More combo, because it does come with a total of 3 batteries versus the normal one, which is 800 bucks and only includes 1. So those are really important. So that's pretty much everything that you get with the combo. I'm not even sure what's in this, unless this is just this could just be an empty piece of cardboard. I'm not even sure, to be honest with you. I think it might be just an empty piece of cardboard. I think, maybe. All right. Anyway, let's get to the main thing here, the DJI Mavic. Here we go. So we have my wife's telling me I'm not wearing my ring for the video. Sorry, honey. I'll put it on later. Don't worry. I'm married. I'm taken. Sorry, guys. Sorry, all you ladies out there watching my GReview videos. Oh, and there it is. There is the Mavic Pro in Ferrari red, or what they call it flame red. Oh, it's so shiny. So here's the drone itself. Nice little carrying case. So I mean, just super duper compact. I mean, I'm just trying to use something as a. Hey, Hardy, give me your phone, honey. So here's a comparison between a Galaxy S8 Plus and the phone. Honestly, not much bigger length or width-wise. Obviously, it's a bit thicker, but that's it. This thing it really fits in your hand. I mean, and we'll see the actual quality of the image later, but that's that. So what you do is you unfold the rear ones first. So again, I'm just being super gingerly here because it's the first time I do this. So unfold the back ones, and unfold the front legs, and then you unfold the little landing gear. Those are your Wi-Fi antennas, and that's the drone. It looks awesome. I cannot wait to fly it. It feels really good quality. It looks fantastic. And now to start kind of taking all the little stickers off and hopefully doing a little fly pretty soon. Probably tonight. Probably won't be the night to actually fly it, but you got to download all the firmware and all the software and everything. But other than that, this is Scott with GReviewz. Thanks for watching my unboxing video, and I'm sure we'll have plenty more videos coming from this guy right here. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. Thank you.